Hi you guys, this week for lunch meal prep I'm doing zucchini boats. So I have zucchini, it's really fresh this time of year. So I have ground turkey, cheese, corn, and taco seasoning that I'm going to fill the zucchini with. I will put the recipe for this in the description box, so check that if you want to make this one. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut the zucchini in half, and I'm going to scoop out the center to make them zucchini boats. After I do that, I will cook up the taco meat with the seasoning, the corn, and then I'll put it all together and it'll be ready for our lunch meal prep for the week. For the zucchini boats for this week, I'm going to use 4 large zucchinis and I'm going to cut them in half lengthwise. And then once they're all 4 cut in half, I'm going to scoop the middle of the zucchini out with, I use a melon baller, but you could use a regular spoon if you'd like. So once I get all that scooped out of the middle, they'll be ready to cook into the oven before we put the taco meat in. I have the oven preheating at 350. So once these are ready to go, I will put them in the oven so that they'll cook a little bit before we put the filling in. Alright, so I have the zucchini in my Pyrex dish and I'm going to brush it with a little bit of olive oil. And I'm going to put it in the oven. It is preheated to 350 and I'm going to put it in for about 10 minutes while I cook up the taco meat. Alright, for the taco zucchini boats, I'm going to use 1 pound of ground turkey. So I'm going to break it up into tiny pieces and let it cook in the pan. Once it's cooked all the way through, it should take about 10 minutes while stirring every couple minutes. Once it's cooked through, I will add in 1 packet of taco seasoning and a 1/4 cup of water, and I will let that simmer for about 5 more minutes until it's cooked all the way through and thickened up. Then I'm going to add in the corn and I will have it ready to put into the zucchini boats as soon as they come out of the oven. Alright, so the filling's done and the zucchini has cooked for 10 minutes in the oven. So I'm going to fill the zucchini boats with the taco mixture. And then once they're filled, I'm going to add some cheddar cheese on top and put them back in the oven for about 10 minutes. And then they'll be done and our meal will be prepped for the week. Alright, so the zucchini boats are done. I'm going to portion them into the meal prep containers and then our lunch is ready for the week. So I cut them in half so that they fit into the containers and I'm going to put 2 in each one. Alright, these zucchini boats are really easy to make. They are super healthy. So when we're ready for lunch each day this week, we'll just put one of these in the microwave. I also like to top with some sliced avocado, makes these delicious. So check the description for the recipe for this one. Click subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you for watching. I hope that you have a great weekend, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.